Here's what we're now going to do. We're going to find out which one of the two of them is the more observant person. So I'm going to give you the deck. I want you to split it in half and give half of the deck to Pam. Half for you, half for her. On the count of 3, and not a second before, you will turn the cards over and look for your own card. But here's the catch. He might have your card right now, Pam, and she might have yours. If I say switch the decks, you got to switch them. So you got to work rather quickly. Got the idea? Yeah. On the count of 3, look for your card. 1, 2, 3, go as fast as you can. Try to find that card. Okay, ready? Switch the decks. Switch the decks. You got to work very fast. Now, Pam, was your card a red card or black card? Red or black?
Black.
Concentrate on the black cards only. I'm going to remember that. Okay, switch back. You must have it over on this side. Was your card a red card or black card? I'm going to help you out, so I want you to win. Black card. Also, amazing coincidence. You remember when you see it, right? Concentrate on the black card so you see it again. I don't know. Okay, switch back. She must have it over on this side. Now, was it a spade or a club? I'm going to help you out. Spade or club? This club. Concentrate on the club. You remember when you see the club, right? Just concentrate on the club. This trick's over an hour long. So switch back over there and back over there. Switch back. You must have it over that side and that side. Now, was yours a spade or a club? I'm going to help you out. It's also a club. An amazing coincidence. What are the chances? You remember when you see it, right? They're very important. You take those. Here, you take those, and I'm going to take these. We're going to help her find them. You haven't seen the card yet, right? Is it one of these over here, darling? Is it one of those right over there? Over there? Okay, concentrate on what's in your hand. Is it one of these 3? One of those 3? One of those 3? Try to concentrate on those. Is it one of these 2? We'll make the show really small. It's not good. It's one card. You remember when you see it, right? That's very...